All right, this question is asking for surface area of a cone. So we're going to go to our reference sheet and we're going to look at surface area. We have two formulas. This cone has a height and a radius. This missing piece here would be our slant height. So we're going to write down our formula. It says big B plus pi r L. The big B stands for area of the base, so we're going to say pi r squared. This says exact, so we know we're not plugging in 3.14 or hitting the pi button. We need to figure out our L, so 15 is a leg, 36 is a leg, and the L is the hypotenuse. So we're going to do Pythagorean theorem with that. And we get 1,521 is L squared, and then we take the square root and get that 39 is L. So now we can plug in all of our values. Pi times 15 squared plus pi times 15 times 39. We have to do order of operations correctly, so we take care of our exponents first, and we're going to get 225. Take care of our multiplication, so we got to do 15 times 39, 585. And then we're going to add our like terms together. So 585 plus 225 gives me 810 pi. Alright, next one we've got a word problem. A manufacturer is designing a label for a can in the shape of a right circular cylinder. The label will only be wrapped around the lateral area of the can as shown in the figure below. That means not the top and not the bottom, it's just the label. The radius of the can is 2 inches, which is marked down here, so this is R. The height of the can is 7, so this is H. The designer needs to know the lateral area of the can that will be covered with the label. What is the approximate area of the can that will be covered by the label? Round to the nearest hundredth. So if we look at our formula, we go to cylinder and we look at surface area. We don't need the bases. We don't need the top and the bottom. So we just want the P and the H. So it's just going to be P times H. P stands for perimeter of base. Perimeter means around the base, so that's going to be our circumference, which is 2 pi r. So 2 pi times 2, and then times our h. So we're going to multiply all this together, so we've got 2 times 2 times 7, gives me 28 pi, and it says we want to round. So I'm going to plug in, either hit the pi button or plug in 3.14 and I get 87.92. Alright, next it says identify the set. The integers greater than -5 and less than 3. So integers mean I'm not doing decimals, I'm not doing fractions.